In a rectangle ABCD, BC is equal to 2AB. The moment of inertia is maximum along axis through. Now in this question, we are provided the information that BC is equal to 2AB. BC is equal to 2AB. So take AB is equal to X. So BC will be 2X. Clear? Now we have situation like this. This is our ABCD. So this is going to be, let us say BC is 2X. So BC is 2X. That means this is 2X, and this will be X. Now we need a moment of inertia along maximum along which axis. So we know that moment of inertia passing through perpendicular to this point O or center of mass. So this IO, which is perpendicular. Okay, so perpendicular to the axis passing through O. So for a sheet, this will be m by 12 a square plus b square, where a is the length, b is the width. So we have m by 12. What is the value of a? That would be 2x square plus b will be x square, correct? So this will be m by 12 into 5x square, correct? Now we don't need about O, perpendicular axis passing through O. We need for BC. So what is BC? This is BC. So before calculating BC, we need to find out the axis along x and y. So this is y axis, this is x axis. So we know that Ix plus Iy will be Io because perpendicular axis theorem. So if you use it, so both will be the same. So that's why you can say this will be 2Iy is equal to Io, as Ix will be Iy, such that Iy will be I0 by 2. Okay, I0 by 2. This is actually the value of Iy, and that's why the value of BC, that means IBC will be Iy plus, what is the perpendicular distance? So this is going to be the perpendicular distance. So m into d square by 2 x square by 2. This is parallel axis theorem. Okay, so if you put the values, what do we get? We get I0 by 2 plus m into x square by 4. If you put the value of I0, you get this will be 5 x square by 24 into m plus mx square by 4. So the value will be the value which will give us the value that is going to give us 24 5 plus 6 11 mx square by 24. This is value of IBC along BC, correct? Now what about I along AB? So I along AB means this axis, right? So IAB will be equal to Iy plus m into d dash square. Again parallel axis theorem. Iy is how much? So we know that. So this will be Ix, this will be Iy, which is again same m into this will be 5 mx square by 24 plus d dash square. So this time this will be x. So m into x square. If you take the LCM, then 24, this will be 5 mx square plus this will become 24 mx square, correct? So 29 by 24 m into x square. This will be IAB value. Now we need again for HF. So what is HF? H is this. So this point is H and this is F. Okay. So we know that IHF is nothing else. That will be I along X, which is I0 by 2, which is 5 by 24 m into x square. And EG, what is EG? So EG is this point is E they have taken, so E and G, E and G along this axis. So IEG will be equal to IY, which will be I naught by 2 again, which will be 5 by 24 m into x square, right? So as I can see, the maximum value in the 4 axes 1, 2 and 3 and 4th. So obviously these two are same. This one is 11 by 24 and this one is 29 by 24. So of course 29 by 24 is the maximum value. So IAB is to be the maximum value, so which consists along passes through the axis AB. So option number 2 should be the right answer. So little bit lengthy question.